Dimensioning practices, the basic concept. Dimensioning is accomplished by adding size, location, information necessary to manufacture the object. Means when this product will go to the manufacturer or the owner, then the person can get the idea better way from the dimensioning. The information have to be clear, complete, facilitate the manufacturing method and the measurement method. Many persons can read easily, and the manufacturer person can read the dimensions, figures clearly, so that the person can make in the industry that object. Example, design part. Here is a top view, here is a front view. Okay. So to manufacture this part, we need to know the size, location, etc. Width, depth, and thickness of the part. Like here. Okay. S denotes dimensions, L denotes location dimensions. Here. Yes, this is symbolic representation. Definitely you will mention in millimeters something. So that is just the need of information to provide to the manufacturer. Angle. To dimension an angle uses circular dimension line having the center at the vertex of the angle here. Okay, now make an angle. Outside, make an angle. Okay, that is the vertex. Now here is the vertex. Common mistake. That is not a good practice. Too much curvy. Arc. Arc are dimensioned by giving the radius in the views in which their true shapes appear. The letter R is always lettered before the figure to emphasize that this dimension is radius of an arc. Like we have already did too many examples, and here with the leader line. Okay. The dimension figure and the arrowhead should be inside the arc where there is a sufficient space. Okay, sufficient space for arrowheads. Okay, only arrowhead can be placed, so you can place the figure dimension figures outside. Insufficient space, you can place the even arrow outside. Okay. I hope you got the idea. Cylinder. Size, dimensions, diameter and length, measurement method. Location dimension must be located from its center line and should be given in a circular view. Here. Okay. So now holes. Size, dimensions are diameter and depth. That is too simple, so that's why I am moving quickly. Location dimensions must be located from its center line and should be given in a circular view. Here, holes like this one, again this one, this one. Placement of dimensions. Extension lines, leader lines should not cross dimension lines. Here, this one, here you can see. Okay, that is crossing, so that is a wrong practice. You should avoid. You can make the arrow on the other side, okay, and elsewhere, but avoid this crossing. You can end this dimension line here. so you will not have to cross the dimensioning. Here and here. Now you can see this is a good practice. Extension lines of an internal features can cross visible line without leaving a gap at the intersection point. Here, that is again wrong one. Okay, that means extension line can cross visible line, but you have to not left a gap. That is a wrong one. That is a right one. Do not use object line, center line, and dimension line as an extension lines. Here, here. Now the right way. First of all, didn't leave a gap, and second, this line is used as extension line. The center line is used as extension line. Again, that is a wrong. You should not use this small dash. Okay, here. That is a good practice. That is bad practice. Avoid dimensions, hidden lines. Okay, so you have to avoid the dimensioning of hidden line. Why? While you can do a better detailing in this view, okay, in the top view, so you should detail the object at here. That will be good, like here, like here. That is good one. Place dimensions outside the view unless placing them inside improve clarity. Here. So avoid to write inside. You can write outside. That will be better. Here. Okay, so recommended practice, place dimensions outside the view unless placing them inside improve the clarity. Here again the same example, this one here, this one right side. Recommended practice, apply the dimension to the view that clearly show the shape or the object features of an object. Here, that will be better, that this cut is dimensioned in this view, not in this view, and similarly this will be better to dimension this side, not in this right side view. Similarly here or here in this circle, that you can properly locate in the top view instead in the right side view. So dimensioning should be in that view where the parts feature are more clear. Dimension lines should be lined up and grouped together as much as possible. Here the good and bad practice. Okay, here now you can see that is looking good. All the dimensions are grouped. Okay, here at the bottom side are grouped. Do not repeat the dimension. While you have dimensioned the object in one part, you do not have to repeat the same dimensioning in the other part. Like when you have mentioned the total length in this object feature, then do not need to write the object feature in the other view. So either it is okay, but that is not a good practice. So that's all for today's lecture. Have a nice day.